Congratulations, you've clicked a button that helps you take your life to the next step, living the life that you would love to live. You're going to discover, you're going to decide, you're going to declare, and then you're going to deliver the dreams of your heart. What's next for you? What would you love your life to look like and feel like in all the areas that are important to you? Your relationships, your finances, your career, your health and well-being, all the things that truly matter to you. This proven 90-day Dream Builder program does just that. This is a proven, predictable process that helps you take your life from where it is to where you truly want it to be. And so saying yes to you and the life that you would love, you are absolutely in the right place today. And so each week, we're going to be sending you the teachings that are coinciding with the worksheets that you're going to be taking step by step over this 90-day process. And you're truly going to not even recognize the life that you're living today. And your life is going to explode in so many ways and so many changes and so much brilliance. So I want to say congratulations once again. Say yes to you, click the button below, and let's get started on living your life to its fullest potential. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.